On today's episode of Car Diaries with Samy Bee, I decided to make light of a shitty situation. And I'm going to start a new series called Car Diaries with Samy Bee. And today's episode is called What the Fuck's That Sound? And so I had two mechanics looking at this. Clay's looking at it and he's like, what the fuck? There's a fucking mouse in your tire. I'm like, what do you mean? There's literally just a mouse running around the tire. But he's like, that's not the problem, but it's fucking funny. Really random. I think we figured it out, but we will see in a second.
I'm gonna have to do this ball joint again with you. I'll get you one coming today.
Thank you.
This is fucking... Well, shit.
Am I okay to drive it home or no?
There's quite a bit of play in there.
Goodbye. Hello. So we did a little swap-sies and now I'm driving the manual, which I will not say or not say at all if I stole it or not. Whoopsie. How do you stall this thing? It's like high-end torque. Wow, it's been a while. But anyways, yeah, so much for I don't know. At least I have a new car series. Take it. You gotta roll with it. You gotta run with it. We are gonna actually run with it. I got a car that breaks down constantly. What do? You make a YouTube series out of it. What is it called? Shitstorm with Samy Bee. Let's go. Subscribe now. Become a Samy Bee family member today. You can join my bee colony and let's hang out. Okay, do y'all remember when my ball joint popped out of its socket? The brake, what is it called? Flex hose and the shaft axle.
Axle shaft. On the other side.
Axle shaft. Let's go.
Here we go. Actually, maybe a little fuck. Just give it a nice clean.
Same thing. Was just about to happen again. Neither of us have any explanation why that would keep happening on the same side. Clay looked, the cotter pin snapped off. He's like, I don't even know how that's possible. How would a cotter pin just snap off on its own? Like, that doesn't even make sense. I'm like, well, maybe if there's like a significant amount of force pressuring it. He's like, but even still, like, it doesn't work that way. Like, it doesn't make sense. And I'm like, I don't know why this keeps happening to me. Sorry, for me. I don't know why this keeps happening for me. Thank you, universe. Anyways, the cotter pin snapped off and then the lug nut was backing off and my ball joint is now trying to pop out again in the exact same side. Clay's actually talked to a couple people with the exact same car as I have, and he said that they had the exact same problem on the exact same side. Driver's side, ball joint popped out. Why? Confused on why this is a thing, but we're gonna get to the bottom of it, or we're just gonna keep fixing it. Either way, yep, that's what we're doing today. So I got the big boy, and Boris, I got the big boy today, and I don't know. At least I don't have to replace my fucking CB axle and my shock and shit again. Because when my ball joint popped out, it wrecked a lot of fucking shit. I think I had to get a new tire. No, I didn't. Did I? No, I don't know. But it like wrecked a whole bunch of shit. So we're not going to do that this time. What's going on? We don't know. All right. There we have our problem. So eventually that'll wear through, I guess. Cause a leak. No brakes. Also, remember when we just did the struts? Like, literally, you can go back and look at this video. It was posted not even a couple months ago. Anyways, I think it's leaking again. We think it's leaking again. Not sure. Yeah, this side's doing it too.
I'm pretty sure it's the strut that's doing it.
Did we replace both struts?
No, just the left side twice. Hey, oh wait, come on, let's go. Wait, move it.
Okay, well, Honestly, don't get a Honda Accord.
The 12.
All right, so we're gonna remove this first.
Other side.
All right, that's off.
Okay, now what do you think's next?
Now the bottom one.
Nope.
Top one?
Yeah, you gotta get that clip out first. A little more. Yeah, I think go in between the line. No, up. There. You want me to do that one?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, now it's cracked. So it's gonna start leaking a bit now.
Okay, so right now we're just gonna have to figure out a way to configure it so that it doesn't rub anymore. So once you figure out position, put her in.
Ouch. Oh, I do need to get this bolt though.
Yeah, that shouldn't rub at all.
No, it should not, but I gotta make sure this stays true. There's supposed to be a certain cutout. Can't really see. I think it's... Yeah, I think it's just the way the hose is made.
The last one, you mean?
Yeah, it just wasn't right. That locks it. Now it's locked into place.
Clip is locked in.
Just like that.
Okay, now that the brakes are bled, we put the wheel back on. And we're done! And we're gonna ignore the fact that everything is leaking! There we have it. That's how you do it. Stay calm. Mechanic on.